this and next, this week, next week, this Sunday, next Sunday, this January, next January, this spring, next spring. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice Time Expressions. This and next. This is video 32 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Okay, great. Let's do it. When are you going to? When are you going to? When are you going to wash your clothes? When are you going to wash the dishes? When are you going to clean the litter box? When are you going to feed the fish? When are you going to finish your book? When are you going to paint the garage? When are you going to chop the wood? When are you going to fly home? When are you going to get a haircut? When are you going to graduate? When are you going to buy a new car? When are you going to start your new job? Time expressions. This week. I'm going to wash the dishes this week. Next week. I'm going to wash the clothes next week. This month. I'm going to finish my book this month. Next month. I'm going to paint the garage next month. This year. I'm going to get a haircut this year. Next year. I'm going to graduate next year. This Sunday. I'm going to clean the litter box this Sunday. Next Sunday. I'm going to feed the fish next Sunday. This January. I'm going to buy a new car this January. Next January. I'm going to start my new job next January. This winter. I'm going to fly home this winter. Next winter. I'm going to chop wood next winter. Conversation. When are you going to clean the litter box? I'm going to clean it this Sunday. Okay, but don't forget. When are you going to feed the fish? I'm going to feed the fish next Sunday. Okay, but don't forget. When are you going to wash the dishes? I'm going to wash them this week. Okay, but don't forget. When are you going to wash your clothes? I'm going to wash them next week. Okay, but don't forget. When are you going to finish your book? I'm going to finish it this month. Okay, but don't forget. When are you going to paint the garage? I'm going to paint it next month. Okay, but don't forget. When are you going to get a haircut? I'm going to get a haircut this year. Okay, but don't forget. When are you going to chop the wood? I'm going to chop the wood next winter. Okay, but don't forget. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.